Imagine a world where your Instagram account doesn't just rack up likes but also dollars in your bank account. Yes, that's right. With affiliate marketing on Instagram, your social media presence can potentially turn into a lucrative income stream. Affiliate marketing at its core is a straightforward concept. It's about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Instagram, with its highly engaged user base and visually rich platform, is a right playground for affiliate marketers. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing on Instagram? Follow these steps. First, identify your niche. It's crucial to align your affiliate marketing efforts with your interests and expertise. Whether you're passionate about fitness, food, fashion, or tech, there's a market for you. Next, build and optimize your Instagram profile. Your bio should clearly state what you do and who you are. Having a professional and cohesive aesthetic can significantly boost your credibility and attract potential customers. Once you've established your online presence, it's time to join an affiliate network. These platforms connect you with brands looking for affiliates. Some popular affiliate networks include ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. After joining an affiliate network, you'll get a unique referral link. This is what you'll use to track sales and earn commissions. You can include this link in your Instagram bio or in the captions of your promotional posts. Now it's time to promote your affiliate products. Create engaging content that showcases the products in a relatable and authentic way. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is trust. If your followers believe in the products you promote, they're more likely to make a purchase. Track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Use Instagram's analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. Always strive for improvement and never stop learning. To recap, affiliate marketing on Instagram can be a lucrative endeavor. It begins with identifying a niche and building a strong online presence. Joining an affiliate network is the next step, followed by promoting your affiliate products in a relatable and authentic way. Remember to track your progress and always strive for improvement. So why not give affiliate marketing on Instagram a try? With dedication, creativity, and the right strategy, your Instagram account could become more than just a social media platform. It could be your ticket to financial independence. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. The world of affiliate marketing on Instagram awaits you. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money through affiliate marketing on Instagram. It's time to turn those likes into dollars. Happy marketing, like, share, and follow for more. For any question or remark, comment.